We want our course materials to reach all students, but for those using a screen reader, an unformatted Excel sheet becomes a maze. Screen readers follow a logical reading order, top to bottom, left to right, announcing each cell's content sequentially. Without visual context that sighted users rely on, the data can sound like a stream of disconnected numbers and words.
A1, cell, B1, B1, cell. Percent light absorbed plus 0.005%, A2.
The most important step is formally designating your data as a table in Excel, not just making it look like one. Don't just use borders and colors. Use the Format as Table command located within the Home tab. Select any table style you prefer. In the dialog box that appears, check My Table has headers. This tells Excel to treat your top row as column labels that screen readers can announce. Keep your tables simple. Avoid merging cells or leaving blank rows, as this breaks the reading order. Finally, right-click on the table and select Alternate Text in the Table submenu, and add a brief alt-text description so students know what the table is for before they dive in. It only takes an extra minute of your time, but for a student, it makes the difference between frustration and a successful semester. Let's build a classroom where every student can access the learning with no barriers and no frustration.